Tell thy story quickly.
Majesty, murder moon is approaching!
Liar! Are men out? At least we'll die with violence in our neck.
Macduff's soldiers cut down branches from the trees and burn on wood, burned to conceal themselves as they marched toward the castle.
Macbeth begins to panic and prepares for a battle. He fights for long and beats every opponent. Then he meets Macduff.
Turn, you hellhound! Turn! Show thy face! Wife and children's host would haunt me still if I not kill you now, Macbeth!
Oh, my else. I'm avoiding thee. Soul is charged with blood of thine. Do not get out of the fight, forget!
Thou bloody old villain! I have no words in my mouth. Voice is in my sword!
Thy lyrics sound like that will not tell to one of a woman born.
The spear and the charm, Macbeth! Let the spirit you worship know. Macduff was from his mother's womb, and time ripped.
That tells me so. Not fight thee.
Then yell thee, coward!
Not here. Lay on Macduff.
Gopikathai from everyone. Obviously, Kalmata from India. Dolly Munu from India. Macbeth Bhaskar Puri from India.
Dancer was performed by Shobhi Nandi from Sweden. Malcolm by Pooja Chauhan from Manipur. Dancer was played by Kabul Park and Rock was played by Basar from India.
Linnox Nubu Rishikesh Yadav from A1. Shilpa Bhatt Sohali Dash from NA2. Neha Bhattacharya from NA2. The trumpets Abhishek Anand from BA1. Ayush Reddy from BA1. Vivek Warner from BA1. Jugali Kishore Numadia from BA1. Vikram Yuga Ghosh from BA1. Singing and chanting all of them.
And the props that was used during the program was created by Arun Kibor from India. Shreya Chaturvedi, Abhika Mandir, and Chandana Mandir. The first set that was created was made by Anurag Kapoor from India. And the direction was directed by Dr. Patel from India.
This was a process. I believe the process. And I know product is when we were performing, without the sounds and that, it was very we really need a space to practice. So that is, and as you take all my students who have been practicing doing this beat, and I believe in the process, and I wanted to create some kind of a very immersive kind of theater. But yes, we are, I think, in the process halfway through. Lots of efforts have gone before the preparation of the script, lots of effort on actors' preparations. So we do lots of breathing exercise and all of this. Some of them also have meals in the play. So it is just the beginning. Picture baki hai. I would like to thank my friend and also our department alumnus, Vivas, for the light, and Devorsi for the sound, and the whole sound team. Thank you. I would like to request everybody so that
before I congratulate Rosio and his team and the whole of the English department, I congratulate myself for being able to make it to this event. In my, what should I say, cramped and confined life at present, this has been quite an adventure to come out in this heat. But I think it has been worth it. So thank all of you once again.
I agree with Shantanu. It has been a wonderful presentation, and I have from the memory of previous celebrations of Shakespeare's Day, I think this is indeed a new beginning and it will grow more and more adventurous, more interesting, more creative, and I believe that we will be able to do that. And of course, I congratulate the entire department for giving us this wonderful experience. Thank you.
Fatini, please say.
Well, I think it's absolutely fantastic, mesmerizing. We've had Shakespeare plays on Shakespeare Days, usually, but we've never really had a theatre. So this is, I think, in my experience, the first theatre that we are experiencing. We've always acted in Shakespeare's plays. And most of it has been amateurish, but this is a full theatrical production, immersive, as you say, which is absolutely brilliant. I'm sure there will always be things that you can add to it, things that will come into it. Feedback from the audience is always a good thing, so you can workshop on that. I'd just like to say that when I came to this department 30 years ago, that was when the preparation for Shakespeare Day was on, and my now colleague, then student, Pratim Boshu, was the first person I encountered trying to crawl under a table, and with a few women trying to beat him up. And so that was the first experience of my coming to this department. I said, wow, this is a fun place. And that was, I think, Merry Wives of Windsor, sections of Merry Wives of Windsor. And Ovijita and myself, I insisted that we do a short piece from Taming of the Shrew, in which I also got to beat up Ovijit. So, we did a lot of performance, which was fun and ballads. Shamanta, who is not here with us anymore, was part of many of these ideas, many rehearsals. He played Hamlet with such gusto that Gertrude was almost getting killed on stage. So we've had great fun. The memories of these rehearsals, I think, are great fun. But of course, as I say, that we did not really do theatre, but it was fun. Typically, it was not really at the Swapno. It was Midsummer Rati's Swapno, was, as Honorina said, it was actually a bilingual, or you could say, many levels of registers of language. With Bottom and his company speaking in the movie language, the fairy speaking in English, and all the other characters speaking in Benglish, so Bengali and English. So I think we've always experimented with theatre, and with Roju being here, Roju comes from a center of performance arts. That I'm sure there's going to be a whole new chapter to the Shakespeare Day programs. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Rose, you and I go a long back a little bit. We can't remember when we started this conversation. I must say that, as Ravi rightly pointed out, this is just the beginning, because as actors, this body is what we have, and you have to train your body. I'm sure you have realized it, because actually this kind of a method, this kind of process requires a trained body. And I'm sure that it starts with the training that we have in breathing, our voice modulation, and after a point of time, we do not require any prop, any lighting. We can do this at Kalabavan Chadal also, at 10 a.m. Nothing, just your body. That will carry the meaning that you have inherited meaning. You have to own the text. But congratulations to the team, and I'm sure I agree with Shakti that this is the beginning, it's a completely different thing that we are experiencing. So congratulations, and we can't deny that you're the director.
I enjoyed the presentation following. Congratulations to Roju and his team for making it possible. I would say that it's just beginning and many more things will come. We'll enjoy in future also. Thank you. Congratulations to the department as well as those who are participating. Thank you.
kilos and 50 years younger, then I would have been part of this, but as Dhiman says, there's a lot of immersive activity, not acting as such. But what I really like, the highlight is the use of lights, the highlights of the colors, particularly the end scene with the music, dramatic effect. And with little time, with really difficult weather, I think that our proposition should be that we should have similar production in every kind of possible. Yeah. Thank you so much for the wonderful experience. Thank you all.
Thank you everyone once again. So we will finish this with Ashram Sangeet. Please join us.
Muni Kure